In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Google Sheets with Google Calendar efficiently, allowing you to import, update, and delete events with ease. Whether you're managing a small team schedule or keeping track of your personal appointments, this integration can be a real time saver. So let's dive in and see how it's done. First, you'll want to head over to Google Sheets and open up a new spreadsheet. We're going to set up a header to organize our calendar data. At the top of your sheet, enter the following column headers: date, event title, start time, end time, and duration in hours. These headers will help you structure the information you'll bring in from your Google Calendar, offering a clear snapshot of your week's events. Next, click on the Extensions tab in the menu bar of your spreadsheet. This is a crucial step since it allows you to access additional tools and features that aren't available by default in Google Sheets. From the drop-down menu, select Apps Script. Apps Script is Google's JavaScript-based scripting language that's used to extend Google Sheets, Docs, and other apps. Once you're in the Apps Script editor, you'll be working with some code to automate the syncing process. In the editor, you'll need to paste a script that will bridge the information between Google Sheets and your Google Calendar. Here's a simple yet powerful script you can use. It pulls events from your main calendar over the past week. Go ahead and copy this code. JavaScript function import calendar events, VR calendar ID primary, or use another calendar's ID VR sheet, il spreadsheet. App, get active spreadsheet, get active sheet, sheet.clear contents, sheet.appendRow, date, event title, start time, end time, duration, HRs, VR now, your new date, var start, your new date, now da, get full year, now das, get month, now bez, get date, that is 7, VR end, your new date, VR events, calendar app dot get, calendar by IDs, calendar ID, get events, start end, events.for each function event, VR title actuals, event.getTitle, VR start time as well as event, get start time, var end time as well event, get end time, var duration equals, end time bar start time, 1000 test size, actor 60 as, 60 as, hours sheet, append row, start time, to date string, title, start time, local time string, end time, local time string, duration dot to for fixed 2, dot das. After pasting the script, make sure to click on the save icon to store your project. Give your project a meaningful name that reflects its purpose, so you can easily come back to it later if needed. With the script saved, the final step is to click on Run in the toolbar. The first time you run this script, you may be asked to authorize the script to access your Google account. Simply follow the prompts and grant the necessary permissions. By doing this, you're enabling the script to interact with your calendar and spreadsheet. After running the script, return to your Google Sheet and you should see your calendar events populate the sheet according to the headers you set up. This integration makes managing schedules within Google Sheets simple and effective. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can effortlessly sync your Google Calendar events with Google Sheets, allowing you to keep track of all your important dates and appointments in an organized manner. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling.